Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Fiat 500 guys. So if you have a Fiat 500 and you're trying to remove or replace the cruise control switches or the switches for on your steering wheel guys, stay with us and we'll explain guys how to do that. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least guys 200 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing these free videos. Specifically on that Fiat, probably we'll have close to 300 to 400 repair videos. All the tools, parts, replacement switches, anything that we use in our videos, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. So, this is the Fiat here. Now, before guys we continue, you will need, let's go open the hood. You will need to disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour. Why? Simply because guys, you will need to remove your steering wheel airbag, and in order to avoid accidental blowing up the airbag or anything like that, you need to disconnect your car battery the correct way. If you guys want to see how to disconnect it the correct way, we will have the video on the channel, because if you do not disconnect your car battery the correct way, you can burn your engine computer. We've done that in the past. You can burn fuses that are really hard to find sometimes, and sometimes, as I said, even burn the computer. So it's very important how you disconnect the car battery. We'll have the video on the channel how to disconnect car battery on Fiat 500, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, so check it out. Once you guys do that, wait 1 hour and we'll continue. Now, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, I wouldn't recommend it guys, so consider this entertaining video. So now guys, we're going on the inside and let me show you what we have done here so far. This is guys the Fiat, this is the Abarth, but doesn't matter guys if you have Abarth, regular Fiat, the procedure will be practically the same. Now, in order to get to those switches, that's what we'll be replacing, the switches right here guys, you can see. We will need to go ahead guys and remove the steering wheel airbag. That will need to come out guys. Now, most of you already know how to remove probably the airbag. If you don't guys, we'll have the video on the channel, check it out, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, shared for your convenience. So if you want to see how to remove the airbag, check it out. We'll have the link in the description of the video below so you can see guys how to remove it. Once you guys remove your airbag, you're going to get a plastic panel removal tool. I will get a screwdriver as well guys. Let me get a small screwdriver here. And what I usually do, I go underneath. And start pulling that switch out guys. There is 3 teeth that hold it in place. So we need to go ahead, and start pulling it out a little bit at a time. Now, don't grab it for that cover because it can fall apart and you have to reinstall it. There is 4 little plastic pieces inside as well. So this is guys the switch. The teeth I'm talking about, I hope you can see them. 1, 2 and 3 teeth, they go in these holes right here. Now, how we guys disconnect it? We need to disconnect that wiring harness here. This is for the rear switch, right here, this is for the rear switch. And after that guys, you're going to come around here, come over there, and we'll need to guys remove that switch as well, and then we'll continue disconnecting the wires. Otherwise you cannot just replace one of them guys, you have to go ahead actually and remove both of them. So this one, the same way that we removed the other one, we just go underneath, and we start pulling it out guys. Now sometimes if they haven't been removed, they may feel a little bit stuck. So let me see if I can get the camera a little bit to get a little bit of light here, because I cannot see what I'm doing there. Just careful not to pull further. For the cover there. So we're coming loose on this side now. I'll come a little bit more over there. Careful not to damage your wires and anything like that. So this one is way more stuck than the other one. That's normal. You always have one that is more stuck than the other one. Why? I have no idea guys. Now we still have these 2 teeth on the bottom holding. So we're going to help it on this side a little bit. Okay, almost out. Perfect. Now we need to go ahead. Okay, we need to go ahead and let's stay like that. Perfect. Disconnect the cable for the rear switch. Pull that one out. Now I'm going to pull that cable out of the way. Come out of here through that holder. We have a few holders here. Come out of there. Check it out. Now guys, what you can do here, you can go ahead and let's see if we can disconnect that switch here now. Okay, those are guys your switches. Okay, check it out right there. So that's how you guys remove them. Now if you need to buy new ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out guys, but that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.